It's better we honor our heroes and recognize them. Consider the role that they played in getting us our freedom.
That's all we can sit down. We can sit down. Sean will be helping me this evening. Yes, tonight is a night of Ghana. But as for Ashanti region, we will be a bedroom. Hey, Asante for. Hey, Asante for. Let's just say, or Doma Asante Mai, or Donso Emma Ghana. And now only a special guest. Ma Montebro for no special guest. No, may the best send him WhatsApp. Monko translation. Everybody tree amamo. Now, ye na ye papa. Our regional minister. Yeah, you are being the Akan RM. Oko RCC na say RM. And we need more RCC that won't say. That is our honorable regional minister Simon Osei Mesa. Ebuja for you mo say ma honorable regional minister
and Consul General at Enoch and former member of Parliament for Fomena. My MC for Akan Honorable Ghanaian Twi, the Honorable Assembly Member for Ahinsan Estate, the CEO of PKB Group of Companies, the representative of the Regional Director Center for National Culture, the CEO of Spotless Travel and Tours, Madame Mary Nyamiche Asamoah, students, the cultural troupe, my good friend from the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It's also an honor and privilege to be invited here tonight to be part of this ceremony. In fact, Spotless Travel and Tour, that the CEO has proved her ingenuity. Actually, she has come out with several programs which touches heart and goes down to the foundation of this country. The celebration of Founders Day is of great significance. We take the opportunity to take stock of where we are coming from and also recognize our past heroes, those who made it possible to emancipate ourselves from the shackles of colonialism. Around the 1600s, the Europeans came to the shores of this region. We have the Portuguese, we have the Dutch, we have the English, we have people coming from Sweden and colonialized us. The last Dutch group handed over our region to the English in 1874. Then, because of the gold that they found at the shores of that particular region, they named our present country, Ghana, the Gold Coast. So in 1874, the English started governing Ghana from Sierra Leone. With time, people realized that we needed our freedom. We needed our emancipation. Because the English succeeded either through purchase or capture to colonize us. So around 1947, immediately after the Second World War, some nationalist Ghanaians, the then Gokus, came together, led by D.B. Dankwa, Pa Grant, Awuno Williams, and many others, to form the United Goku Convention, for which Pa Grant was the leader and founder. It was through that process they brought a Asante Dr. Kwame Nkrumah from the United States to come and be the secretary and the spokesperson. Then they started the struggle for freedom, that's political freedom. This did not materialize until 1957. However, in 1951, Kwame Nkrumah left the UGCC to form his own party, the Convention People's Party. And in the 1952 elections, they won massively, and they continued with the struggle until we attained our independence on the 6th of March, 1957. Under the 1992 Constitution, an attempt was made to honor these heroes. But it started only with that of the president, the first president of Ghana, Asante Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and we made it Founders Day. That was founder apostrophe S. The other school of thought who felt all the members of the Big Six must be recognized for the part they played for this country to attain independence. And that is why Founders Day, that is the founder apostrophe S, was changed to Founders plural. That is apostrophe after the S, which means that we are celebrating all the members of the Big Six, which included Asante Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Joseph Boachi Dankwa, Ebenezer Akwajeyi, William Oforiatta, Emmanuel Obetebi Lamte, and then Edward Akufo-Addo. These 6 people are the people we are celebrating now. And that changed the day for the celebration of the Founders Day from 21st September to the 4th of August. The reason is that 21st of September is the day that Asante Dr. Kwame Nkrumah was born. That is 21st September 1909. And the UGCC was formed on 4th August 1947 at Solpo. So the day was changed from the date of birth of Asante Dr. Kwame Nkrumah to the date of birth of the United Gold Coast Convention, which is 4th of August. We still celebrate the birthday of the first president, Asante Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, on 21st of September. But the Founders Day has been moved from the 21st to today, which is 4th of August. Now, it's better we honor our heroes and recognize them and consider the role that they played in getting us our freedom. I agree, we've not obtained full economic emancipation, but at least we have our political freedom. And that is why we can call ourselves people of Ghana, who are not governed by others, but we govern ourselves. I think we have to cherish them, we have to hold them in high esteem, and we have to make sure that every year we celebrate them and celebrate them very well. I will urge the CEO of Spotless Travel and Tours that going forward, this good example that she started, she should try and get partners also to support her to make it grand, bigger than this. But I'm telling her, this mustard seed she sown today will grow to be a very good tree. Very large one, very big one. Congratulations, Spotless Travel and Tours. And I thank all of you who have made time to be here tonight. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and may the Almighty God bless us all. Thanks.
A titri near Kukudam. Near the four at the Cassie Sainty, Mashia Jaboyasi, Memobibia Atnas. Midiane Nana Upukuare. May a scout to me, I was Santimante Moa. Nayada Cassie say, a Yamaniji Yama who I say, Miss Midinaha, I may become Bacosam. Now Bacosama may becano, and you Pia say. JB Dankwa, Upianim no say, ne modern bo, ni nyuma paka hubi, ene ma ne Ghana, yinyafa hudino, ne hwasem na mebeka. Ayami amese, obema kwa mi usu ansa, asantini desha wanya na baby ko, okama simbi se. Onipa upro, na nsu ni di mpade enyira. We mama hu se, ebra nipa obebo no. Who watching for near the Sunya Wonkaye? Already American Asami, Nanny Dean, Eddie Joseph Kwame, Chilichie, Boache, Dankwa. I don't want any no say, JB Dankwa. Now, Papa de Yao Boache Nanema me as Sode, or come Grantman. Sabe Nui and a wood JB Dankwa. Osheni sukwase na ono akasa ye wo no bepon kwa bepon a ewo apoye mantem na osheni sukwase ewo Basri Mission School asako ento aso school ewo Basri Secondary School na owie ye no onye aduma se otwetwerefo ema owura bia no ya mrani fo kase e won kramemu na mra oye no ekwa ni mu kakra no osa benya aduma e wo manyimu emra ana se o manyimu asem dibia kase ye Supreme Court
aka 1 minute
na Supreme Court wona o ba benya aduma no ancha na onua ana no soso de oforiata na oye ohene sa abre no ato nsafre no mane ba se menua kuntu ihe na anachia na ekọ etibra na nimdia ho no fa beboa me wo twetwe adumam ewo mahini ho e ma wo kokọboa no onua ihu sa na adwene mu do no oboa no e de ne kọ abrochimam ye ingresi abrochimam e ma ne kọ suapon ne suapon mu no kodi mfiansia ewo ho afi apem ahankro ne aduonunsia me kire 1926 ono ne obibinia na Abibirem atoye ha me kire West Africa hano no anya degree degree of philosophy and ye dema no enti owie ni nyira kiri no sa ba ne ma ga na mu se oba beboa ama ya den ya pre emfa hodie
on that hodie note no na our time aso yemo yese mano
mama tenasi we did this African me o anochi player I work here me o hase me kasa afa the big sis emubako and you ready make an what's Ebenezer Akan Twi Gold Coast Ghana yenya yemfa hudie e was 6 March 1957 na empenifo nsia bi ene ka wo bom e ma yenya yemfa hudie one day Dr. Nkrumah na oye prime minister na obeye first president e wo Ghana Ebenezer Akan Twi oforiata JB Dankwa obichebi lante ena de meka ne ho asem Akan Twi ye wo no wo krokitwa bi a ye frɛ ho ejei pro a ewo achim ebuakwa a ewo ehwe mantem mechire Eastern region ena owo no eye Johan okoi ejei and a jar or no, and so the Samuel, a J. Now, what in the battle to or no, na akwaje wo enuanom ma eni mmarima bebre nanso ono na oye kechi oposuku wo obosusu a ewo Eastern region hwa na otu anamon dunai ansana wadu school ho na nibre adesuenti oto aso eko Accra Academy
na aka 1 minute
okoso eto aso eko Lincoln University owie ode na ho bedom UGCC obeye member oto aso ebedom Conventional People's Party eho ena obeye Minister of Foreign Affairs any regional integration of Ghana Owari osono bia na ye friend Theodosia Akweje odoma komehira wo ma wo emama miensa enam se oye keche na ensi ye ni nimdie ahye ne menti ode ne ho ka the big six ma wo ka wo ho bom eno enenne ama me no mienu ye nsu ye nya fa hodie every English Bronia na ye British
on that English Bronia no tiemo ensema Agnes. Hey, Gladys Abeka.
Honorable Minister, and I know distinguished guests, panel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a scout from Podium Academy at Ofim Amanfo off the Barricades Road, Kumasi. I am 10 years old and I am in class 6. I am here to narrate the story of a Ghanaian statesman, lawyer, politician, journalist, and a founding father of our beloved country, Dr. Ebenezer Aku-Adjei. Dr. Ebenezer Aku-Adjei was born 17 June 1916 at Ejebo, a small farming area at Abibirem. His father, Samuel Adjei, who Ejebo was named after, and his mother, Johanna Okaili Adjei, were both from a coastal town in the Accra region. Dr. Ebenezer Aku-Adjei started his education at the Busoso Railway Primary School, where he walked 14 miles to school and back home. 14 miles? And any one of you walk 14 miles to school and back home? Dr. Ebenezer Aku-Adjei later was sent to La, where he attended the La Presbyterian School at La. There he gained a scholarship to the Christchurch Grammar School, where he went there for 1 month because he did not like the school, and he came back to La Presbyterian Junior School.
Brian, you have 1 minute.
He later went to Accra Academy, where he could not afford his books. Mr. Hong, some of the founders who were part of the school volunteered to pay his books for him. After education abroad, he later came to Ghana to join the struggle for independence.
Yes, that is Brian for you. Brian Augustine, could you let's give it to him? 10 years all classes, 10 years now Chikoto. Why are there? Brian, God bless you. You can go backstage. Thank you. BRAVO. M-O. M-O. Adabraka. Adabraka. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Veronica Tay Amopo is my name. I'm a student of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Final year student. I'm reading BA Culture and Tourism. The president for Ghana Association of Tourism and Hospitality Students. I'm talking about the Dr. Joseph Kwame Boakye Dankwa. Founders Day, which was 21st of September. That was the birthday and month of our first Ghanaian president, Dr. Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. The day was now changed to the birth month of the United Gold Coast Convention Party. That's the 4th August. And then the founders, which was first singular, because we're celebrating only the first president, was now made founders, that's in the plural form, to celebrate the big six other members who joined in helping and then contributing enormously to the attainment of our independence. I took J.B. Dankwa because of his distinctive and unique qualities that he showed out. J.B. Dankwa, known as Joseph Boakye Kwame, was born at Bepong, Kwewu in the Eastern region. J.B. Dankwa was born on the 18th of December, 1895, and he died on 4th February, 1965 at the age of 69. J.B. Dankwa was born to the family of Mr. Emmanuel Yao Boakye and then Madam Lydia Okum. J.B. Dankwa started his school when he was 6 years at the Basel Mission School. OSHS also at the Basel Mission School, and then he also moved on and completed his Standard 7. At the Standard 7, and then he moved on to get employed by the barrister at the law to work as a clerk because of his intelligence.
You have 1 minute remaining.
J.B. Dankwa moved on to get his education in London, University of London. He also did very well and was awarded the first West African to attain, to get the first West African student of the University of British London. The private life of J.B. Dankwa is more of romance.
Hey.
He was more of romance. He got, during his school days, he had 2 sons and 2 daughters by 2 women, of which he didn't marry. He later married his first wife was Mrs. Mabel Doe.
Okay.
And also
on that note of Mabel Doe, where J.B. Dankwa was giving birth, like that. Okay. 3 minutes. I hope it's okay, right? Name Veronica.
Yes, please.
Veronica is 3 minutes for everybody, okay? 3 minutes. You might say my Veronica. Veronica, I'll say my name J.B. Dankwa. Okay, thank you very much.
We are also considering language barrier. It's Founders Day. We are in the Ashanti region. I believe it wasn't communicated to you that you have to stick to the English language or Twi.
I think it was given that any language,
of course. Yes. Yeah. So regardless of what language you used,
so we
put our heads together and we believe, based on our criteria, let me start from the 3rd. Okay, let me start from the 4th.
fourth position.
So our fourth the fourth position was based on the fact that at a point in time she was fumbling. She started very well, but at a point in time she couldn't take the pressure coming from the MC, so she was fumbling. I'm so sorry, Vero, but we placed the fourth position.
Okay, let's give it up to Vero.
Next time.
Veronica, wow, say bucket.
Next time. And then the third position.
Third position.
When it comes to creativity, I gave it to her because you could tell she put in a lot of effort. She's dressed in a regalia that depicts what we are here for. So she did well, but like I said, you did well, but you placed third. Gladys is our third.
Okay, Gladys. Gladys. Okay.
And then we are moving straight forward to.
It's obvious the Pani is scouting.
Our king for the night. So when I saw our king, I was quite amazed because I have a son who is also 10 years.
Wow.
I've said it already. So the person that plays first, our king for tonight, is Brian.
B-R-A-V-O.
Can I get a hug from you, Brian?
Oh, I don't hear you. B-R-A-V-O. Emo. Thank you. We invite on stage. The prizes are ready. Yes, Mama Mary Namiche, to present the winner. In fact, the winner is having something not less than 1,000 Ghana cedis. Yes. And it goes to our son, our boy, 10-year-old boy. Before 10 years, Namiche got off. Yes. Oh, the old Jawon. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, we had the headmaster here. Where's the headmaster? The headmaster away. Headmaster be trying to check a car. Yes, ma'am.
Didn't you bube? The brebe is a bube. A bay a day.
Crap, Reko, and you sabe, or Jambu Pobiasi Kronima was what others. Anyone Snaffy, Emma, I said, Yam.
Blanipi Freemantam, he say pain, and young Quandewa, lay a sutron, and son would dear Sibefitana, my Codia Brinciam, will turn in some much of morning. You are a new reclaiming. We are so for Crown ye.
Don't, Yanom Sania,
Nyansapo.
I want to take on a money, and take a 1 idiot, Fenam Quatriqua.
What I amount to my effect, he did saying, he did Obama.
Akola wa no so pese otimu suma ense bratam
the family honhon hia na Amerikasa
sabe ka ya twere ni mu nyame nai ebu afaso enye de ya twere ni mu twa nyame sebedi akone be kwen bodi atwede na se kofi nro ni ya aben ntime nyina ni mu ampata na wo yade ya